Your heart pumps blood to your entire body through a network of blood vessels known as the circulatory system. Your blood supplies the cells in your body with the oxygen and nutrients they need. If you've had a heart attack, or stroke, or have angina, peripheral arterial disease, or coronary artery disease, your doctor may prescribe you aspirin. Aspirin reduces your risk of blood clots. A blood clot is made up of fibrin, long strands of protein that form a net. Platelets and cells clump together and stick to this net, forming a clot. Aspirin interrupts the clotting process by stopping an enzyme called COX-1 from working. This interruption makes platelets and cells less sticky, so they can't clump together and form a clot. The BHF is funding a clinical trial to find out how long patients should take aspirin after a heart attack. Before you stop or change any medication, even if you're worried about side effects, talk to your GP first, as changing or missing a dose could harm your health. For more information about aspirin, visit bhf.org.uk/aspirin.